If primitive man had been content to sit on a ledge by his cave, absorbed in a beautiful sunset or a complex cloud configuration, he might never have exterminated his rival species. But neither would he have achieved mastery of the planet. Now, however, man is faced with the unprecedented situation of potentially unlimited material and technological resources at his disposal, and a tremendous amount of leisure time. At last, he has the opportunity to look both within and beyond himself with a new perspective without endangering or impeding the progress of the species.